You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these French cheese for more confusing food names from France and more dish names, cheese names and cuisine names from French. Make sure to stay tuned. The type of blue cheese. Fourme, Fourme d'Ambert. That's your French pronunciation there. Fourme d'Ambert. So if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, remember that the T is silent at the end. Fourme, Fourme d'Ambert. Fourme d'Ambert from French. Fourme d'Ambert. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.